guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new and just finding this video. My name is Vanessa, Nessa, Sessa, Yaya, V, all of the above, depending who you are. And today's video, I'm bringing to you guys an at-home, quick and easy workouts for beginners. That's right, for beginners. I'm gonna let that sink in for a little bit, okay? I have a lot of friends, whether they're mothers, just super busy, or just don't like the gym atmosphere, that have asked me about some simple workouts that they could do from the comfort of their home. So I figured that I will put together just very easy three easy exercises for you guys to do at home. They're beginner friendly, so they're not going to be that extreme. I wanted to give you guys workouts that your form isn't that crucial for you to focus on. I mean, forms are always important. So for that reason, I would recommend when you're doing these exercises to maybe have a mirror close by. Mine's right here. All you need is a small space for you to do this in. I mean, I'm in the basement. I have very minimal room here. Make sure to stretch. Stretching is very important. So let me show you guys what you might need. But before we start, make sure to hit that notification button down below. All it's gonna do is show you guys or let you guys know when I upload a video. And also give the video a thumbs up if you like these type of content. It helps me know what contents people want to see, so I can focus on that direction moving forward. Things that you're going to need. I am going to be using these dumbbells today. I picked these up, I think last year, from a thrift store. Thrift stores usually are great places to visit if you need some workout equipment. They were very, very cheap. If you don't have dumbbells while you're watching this video, like if this is current, present time, and you don't have dumbbells, I'm going to say that a lot of us drink wine. Boom. This is a wine bottle. This is a big old wine bottle that I now use for water. But if you have something like this, fill it up. This is pretty heavy. Fill it up, and you can kind of substitute the dumbbells for these for what we might be doing. If you have nothing at all, it's fine. You don't need weights for these, but yeah. So that intro was super long. Let's get into the workout video, okay? So the first exercise that you guys are gonna see me dive into are sumo squats using the dumbbells or your bottle or a chair or baby or dog, whatever it is you have to hold. Go ahead and hold that. And I try and go very low. So sumo squats is just stepping a bit further out, toes pointing slightly outwards. Doesn't matter how your toes pointing, just try and focus that your knee follow your toe when you're doing your squats. For a lot of people, one question I've gotten is that some people don't know whether or not they're doing squats properly or if they're going low enough, etc., etc. One thing I recommend is putting probably a bench underneath you. If you don't have a bench, you could use maybe your couch. If you're not able to go that low, if you're starting off, use your couch as a guide of how low you should go. You can either sit on it and stand up, or you can just tap it and stand up. It's gonna be placed there as a guidance, so you guys can have an idea of how low to go when you're doing this with low weight. So you want to increase how many you're doing. So yeah, I recommend you can do 15 to 20, push through, get that out the way. Once this exercise is done, take a 2-minute rest or whatever, and then jump into the next exercise. As you can see, for the next exercise, I'm using a little towel. Some gyms have like this sliding thing that you can use to slide your legs back. Personally, if you're home, That's not necessary. If you have anything around you that you want to use, you can use it. You can use any type of cloth. it's just there to help your feet slide back when you get into that lunges position, pretty much. So just try and keep yourself stable and just get into this workout. I think it's pretty self-explanatory with you watching me do it. Yeah, you can always put the weights down, as you guys gonna see. I got drop the weights, and you could do it without or with, depending what stage and level you are. And I do recommend you do probably 10 each legs to start off, and you want to repeat this 3 times, same as the first one. Repeat 3 times. So the last and final exercise that you guys are gonna see me do are squat jumps. Is it squat jumps or jumping squats? One of the two. But these are brutal. These hurt. These add a bit more cardio to this routine. You don't have to go super low, especially if you're starting off. Just go low enough and, you know, make that jump. As you can see, I try to get low so that you guys can see that I'm not jumping super high. Just giving your body some motions to kind of, you know, add that cardio to that routine. And lastly, I decided to add squat poses to these sumo squat pose, because once you're done all these exercises, repeat each exercise 3 times. So in total, you should have 9 exercises, because 3, 6, 9 exercises. So once you're done that full set, I added the pose to it because the pose is like an extra kick, an extra burn. If you really feeling what you just did and you still in the mood and you still want to add something extra to it, like a little sprinkle of salt on there, or pepper, I should say, you can add these poses to it. It doesn't look hard, but it burns. It really burns. So yes, guys, quick and easy. I really wanted to give you guys simple exercises that you can do on your own. You're going to be feeling great at the end of all these workouts. With all the craziness that's going on right now out in the world, stay safe. I've actually stopped going to the gym. I'm staying home, doing my home exercises. So hopefully this allows you to still be active while we're all in this together, being quarantined by this virus. It will not win. So stay safe, take care of yourself, protect yourself, don't panic. The media makes everybody panic. Everyone's panicking right now. I get that it's serious. Just stay safe, and I will catch you guys when I catch you. Don't forget to hit the bell down below. I have a fun video coming up next. I went thrifting. I just recorded that video before I recorded this one, which is why I'm in a whole different setting. I will catch you guys when I catch you. Enjoy that workout. I hope you're sweating like I was, and I hope your armpit is sweating like mine was. And I will catch you guys when I catch you. Stay humble, please. The world needs more of that than we know. Stay humble. Bye, guys. Peace out. Armpit sweating like